Good evening, guys. Um, so today was a very trending day, very easy day to trade as such, but still, I felt there might be a resistance at 16,200. So we took very small positions and we tried to capitalize on that. But as such, a very good day for people who bought, people who are buyers. A bad day for short sellers. Many short sellers might have got stuck. But this trending day started on Friday itself. Friday, during the closing, the market took a very small upward move from the bottom levels. और बॉटम लेवल से थोड़ा वो ऊपर मूव करते करते उसने अच्छा खासा रिकवरी दिखाया and that was an indication for a very gap up opening. So that's why we took positions on Friday closing itself, and today in the morning we squared off at around 10:30 11. Then we sat aside until the Europe opening. Europe opening कैसा है वो देखने के लिए हम थोड़ा ट्रेडिंग पोजीशंस कट करके बैठ गए और फिर बाद में फिर से उसके ओपनिंग के बाद हमने फिर से ट्रेड लिया और थोड़ा प्रॉफिट रखा। अभी कल के लिए भी ट्रेडिंग पोजीशन ओपन है because we feel that tomorrow morning also the market will open higher. Okay, so this video is going to be short. I just came online because I wanted to show live what is chart setup of a trending day. Today was a trending day and it started on Friday and the indicators were already there, and our chart setup actually predicts a very good trending day, and you can earn money on a trending day in option buying also and option selling also, risk free, without any stress. So that is the reason I came online to show you the setup of. I'll not show you the complete setup, but we have launched a course in which we will explain you what is a trending day, how to recognize it, and how to make money in a trending day. The course usually I charge 15,000 rupees, but now for a very limited period of time I'm taking only 2,999. So यूजुअली ये ट्रेंडिंग डे के जो फीस होते हैं वो 15,000 होते हैं, बट फॉर शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ओनली आई एम चार्जिंग 2,999. So take advantage of this, and if you want to register for this, you can leave a comment below this video, or you can contact me on my personal mobile number, and I'll display that here. Okay. Okay, so here you can see the mobile number now. And if you want to take this course, or if you want any queries, or if you want to resolve any questions, then you can take this number and take the opportunity to contact me. Okay. So now I'll display my name also, so that people can. Sorry, I think I can show only one thing at a time. Okay, fine, no problem. So now let's go. Let's move to the uh, graph setup, and we will have a look of how things are moving. Okay, so now here you can see, so the chart setup. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं market on Friday itself it started. I'll open a 5-minute chart. Friday, from bottom level itself, it started rallying, and at the end of the day, it came a very big up move. And then वो जो सेटअप था वो काफी बुलिश था। हमने ऑब्जर्व किया कि बहुत अच्छा बाइंग हो रहा है, तो वहां से हमने ओवरनाइट थोड़े पोजीशंस रखे, एंड देन वी बुक्ड प्रॉफिट अराउंड हियर, but then it kept on rallying upwards. So these are indications of a very good trending day on upwards. Downwards भी trending day हमने देखे हैं और upward भी trending day देखे हैं. तो ऐसे trending days पे ट्रेड करना काफी easy हो जाता है. Okay. Then as you can see, a trending day, the indications of a trending day on the upwards is that it keeps on breaking the highs of the day. तो ये हाई जो जो था वो तोड़ दिया, फिर वो हाई था वो भी तोड़ दिया, वो हाई था वो भी तोड़ दिया. जब मार्केट ऊपर जाते रहता है, and if it is a trending day, it keeps on creeping upwards very slowly. So your indicators should be so strong and your chart setup should be so strong that you can easily identify this and you can capitalize on that. Okay. So that is how the trending day works. So we bought options on Friday evening of 15,900, sorry, 15,800, and then we booked this profit in the morning. But what happened in the in between? Again, we shifted our position to 15,900, and it came down for a little while, and no, around here, around before Europe opening, and we thought our stop loss will, we don't didn't want to lose the profit, so we booked the loss here. And again, at the end of the day, we bought this trading position to because I was thinking that it will continue, and that is similarly thing happened. It continued, and tomorrow also probably it will open at least by 0.5%. That is at least 80 points. It will increase. Okay. Now I usually buy in the money option. In the money option is expensive, but it gives you the advantage like a futures contract. क्योंकि उसका जो delta होता है वो almost is equivalent to 1. So if you are buying an in the money option, you can maximize the gains. If the market is moving by 100 points, you can get at least 80 to 90 points. But if you buy a out of money option, say 200 points far away, the delta is only of 4.4%, 0.5%. So even if the market moves by 80 points, you only get 30 to 40 points because of the time value decay. Okay. So that is the reason why in the money options are always profitable. But yeah, you cannot do in the money options buying every day. You have to do in the money options buying only on a trending day. Because trending day, क्योंकि अगर वो ट्रेंडिंग डे नहीं होगा, आपका स्टॉप लॉस भी हिट हो सकता है, और इन द मनी ऑप्शन का पॉइंट्स, सिंस इट डेल्टा इज 0.8 0.9, there is a chances of losing money. So that is the reason it happened. That is the reason I do this, and only on a trending day, and when I feel the trending is strong and now it is going upwards. So for tomorrow, I have sold 16,100 PE, 1000 quantity, already 9,000 profit. If this goes to zero, I'll get almost around 40,000. And if this opens higher, then the profit already is 44,000. But I think it will go to I feel it can go almost like another 60,000 to 70,000 profit easily will be captured in this. Okay, even if the market opens a little bit higher. Now let's look at now why do I feel that the markets will open higher again? Because the global setup is also like that. Investing order, if you go, the global setup of also of the markets are positive. So US is also positive, though it was positive by 1%, it has come down a little bit, but still the setup is positive. European markets were 0.5%, but now they closed at a little bit lower at 0.7%. So बहुत बड़ा गैप अप नहीं होगा कल, बट थोड़ा छोटा गैप अप तो आप देख ही सकते हैं कल के लिए. Okay. And then again, one bad news is that probably why European markets came down and US also came down a little bit from its high today is that क्रूड के प्राइसेस फिर से बढ़ना शुरू हो जा रहे हैं. Though it is below now, though it is almost at the level when it started rising, so it is pre Russia Ukraine level, but still there is a lot of gain in this because of the positive sentiment. Short covering जो होता है वो short covering होता होगा, and because of that it is rising. Okay. And but gold and silver are not rising that much, so easily you can say that it is a risk-free environment. If it was rising, then it was rising a lot. Then it was a risky environment. So probably markets will not fall a lot for a few more days. Probably before the next Federal Reserve meeting, which will happen on July 27th. Only that time, I think 25th, 27th, 28th, probably there might be a volatility, either a fall or either a rise. तो हाँ, उस वक्त हमें वो देखना पड़ेगा. So I feel by tomorrow it will, if US markets remain positive, it will open at around or above 16,300, and then probably there might be a sideways day from there, not a trending day. I don't think so. There will be a trending day because of the crude which has jumped again. Okay, so tomorrow might not be a trending day. So tomorrow at the opening itself, if we are getting a very good price, then we will square off this 1500 quantity and we will close this trading position. This short the options that I've sold, I will keep it open because I don't think so the market will go down by 16,100 in this week. Okay, so so basically what we do is we trade through our accounts, we trade through client accounts, we do portfolio management, and that is how our company Finaware gives services. Now we are starting training services also. So people who are who from time to time we will give very attractive discounts on our training services also. If you are a person who doesn't have a time to trade, so you can take the advantage of our services of trading services which we provide to our clients. You can become our client and take our services, or if you want to take you also wish to gain some knowledge of the market, you can take our training services also, and we will give small courses at affordable prices, but those are very knowledgeable courses. In these courses I give out my experience of last many years of trading. So both we have I have suffered profits also and loss also, and that is how I have learned a very valuable lesson in trading, and that is how I developed my system. So take advantage of my knowledge, take advantage of my setups, and you can also at least start on a small level. I do at a big level, but you can at least start at a small level. Okay, so that's it for the day. I don't want to keep this video for a very long lengthy period, and I hope you learned something from it. Thank you very much.